So we've just got through testing the new PowerMaster starter, and in doing so, you're going to need to create a jumper wire if your car doesn't have two wires down there, one for the starter solenoid and one for power. If you are only running a starter power wire to this starter, you are going to need to create a wire, and this wire is it's going to look like so, and it's going to need to jump over to this starter solenoid connection. That's what this does, and this is what it should look like. Without that on there and just putting the starter wire on here, we were unable to get that starter to fire. Once we put the jumper wire on there, you're going to have to hit this with the hot wire, and then that's how you get that to fire. So with the jumper wire, it fires all the way around and gets the starter to go. We are only going to use one wire, and that's going to be the 4-gauge upgraded aftermarket wire that's going to carry more amps to that positive hot in hopes of making this starter turn this larger engine over with some serious power.